How to fix SSL connection error in Google Chrome. Here's some methods that may help you with the SSL connection error in your own Google Chrome app. First off, this video guide applies to 1. Your connection is not private. 2. Your connection is not private with error_cert_common_name_invalid. 3. Your connection is not private with net error_cert_authority_invalid. 4. This web page has a redirect loop or error_2_many_ redirects. 5. Your clock is behind or your clock is ahead or net error_cert_date_invalid. 6. Server has a weak ephemeral Diffie-Hellman public key or error_SSL_weak_ephemeral_DH_key. 7. This web page is not available or error_SSL_version_or_cipher_mismatch. Here are some useful methods that may help you with the SSL connection error in Google Chrome browser. Method 1. Clear browser's cache. Method 2. Disable SSL/HTTPS scan in your security software. Method 3. SSL v3 minimum SSL/TLS version supported at Chrome//flags or IE's TLS 1.0. Hint, check use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1 and use TLS 1.2. Also, uncheck use SSL 3.0 if checked. Method 4. Sure your PC date/time is correct. Method 5, clear SSL certificate cache in IE. Method 6. Internal DNS cache at Chrome//net internal/hashtag DNS. Method 7, reset Internet Explorer settings. Method 8, up. Your Google Chrome. Method 9, use Chrome Cleanup Tool. Method 10, remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Chrome browser later. Note, you might need to manually delete the Google subfolder at c:\users\% your _name %appdata \local \.